Hello everybody and welcome to the first practice video for simplifying algebraic expressions. Now, to simplify an expression, we want to combine like terms together. So the first thing we want to do is to multiply out the brackets. Now in the first question, you can see there's a 4 in front of the first bracket. So the first thing we do is multiply the 4 by the 2x and we get 8x, and then we multiply the 4 by the -1 and we get -4. And don't forget that a plus times a plus is a plus, a minus times a plus or a plus times a minus is a minus, and a minus times a minus is a plus. And with the second bracket, there's a -3 in front of it. So first we multiply -3 by 2x and get -6x. And then we multiply -3 by -7 and we get +21. Now, if you look at the terms we have, you can see that two of them contain an x. So we can add those two together, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So the first term of our solution is 2x. The next two terms are both constants, so we can add those together. -4 plus 21 gives us +17. So our answer is 2x plus 17. And similarly, with the next example, both of these brackets also have a constant in front of them. So we start off by multiplying the brackets out. So first we multiply 2 by 3x, and 2 times 3 is 6, so the first term is 6x. Then we multiply 2 by -2, which gives us -4. And then we have -2 in front of the second bracket, so we multiply -2 times 2x, which gives us -4x. And finally, -2 times by -1 gives us a +2. If we now look at the terms we've created, you can see that two of them contain an x, so we can combine those two, and 6 minus 4 is 2, so the first term is 2x. And the next two terms are both constants, so we can add them together, and -4 plus 2 is -2. So the final answer is 2x minus 2. Now in the third question, you can see that the first term, 2x, is on its own. We don't need to multiply it by anything, so that just remains the same. Then we have a bracket with a -4 in front of it, so we have to times -4 by both terms in the bracket. So first of all, -4 times by 2x will give us a -8x, and then -4 times by -1 is a +4. Now, the next bracket doesn't have a constant in front of it, but that's because it's a 1 and we don't write the 1. So we effectively have to times both terms in this bracket by -1. And -1 times by 4 will give us a -4, and -1 times by -5x will give us a +5x. Next, we're going to underline all the terms that have x in them so we can combine them together, and there are 3 here. So 2 minus 8 plus 5 gives us the first term of our solution as -x. But then if we look at the remaining terms that are both constants, we have a +4 and a -4. So if we add those together, we get 0. So we have no constant in the answer, and the final answer is just -x. And in the fourth question, the first term is on its own again. It's a 6. It doesn't get multiplied by anything, so it remains the same. Then both terms in the first bracket get multiplied by -3. So -3 times 2x gives us a -6x, and -3 times by +3 gives us -9. And as before, there is no constant in front of the second bracket, so it will be a 1. So both terms in that bracket need to be multiplied by -1. And -1 times 7 gives us a -7. And -1 times by -2x is going to give us a +2x. So first we're going to underline the terms that have x in them so we can combine them, and -6 plus 2x is going to give us a -4x, and then we'll underline the constants, and we have 3 of them, and 6 minus 9 minus 7 gives us -10. So the final answer is -4x minus 10. Now, I like to keep my videos as close to 5 minutes as possible, so it's easy to watch one a day, so I won't be going through any more examples in this video. However, I will be doing follow-up videos where we can get a bit faster at doing these questions and where the questions will get progressively harder. So that's it for now. Thanks ever so much for watching. Please press that like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe so you get notified of new videos that come out. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.